Hello everyone, my name is Grant Katanik and I am Wijmo's Product Marketing Specialist. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need to get started using Wijmo controls today. We'll download the product, demonstrate the setup process, and add Wijmo's popular data grid, FlexGrid, to an application. Let's get started with Wijmo. Wijmo is a JavaScript library of UI components for data-driven applications. It contains controls like grids, charts, gauges, and input, as well as some data management utilities. The Wijmo library is framework agnostic, so you can use our controls with your favorite framework. Wijmo supports popular JavaScript frameworks including Angular, React, and Vue. To download Wijmo, visit developer.meshius.com. If you've purchased a license, you need to log into your Meshius account and download the license version in the My Licenses section of your account. Otherwise, navigate to the Wijmo page and click Download on the website. Download the latest version of Wijmo to get started. Once the Wijmo package is downloaded and unzipped, you'll see several folders. The dist folder contains JavaScript controls and CSS classes. The samples folder contains dozens of sample applications and source code for Wijmo samples. You can use these samples as a reference to understand implementation details of application-specific features. You can also find out more about the controls by checking out the documentation and API. The most common way to start with Wijmo is downloading from npm. In VS Code terminal, type npm install @meshius/wijmo.purejs.all. This will install everything we need to build a JavaScript data grid. Next, in our HTML file, we add an element to host our JavaScript data grid. A simple div tag with a unique ID. Notice we also have a reference to our JavaScript file in this page. In our main.js file, we import the grid module. Then we add some data. In this case, a JavaScript array of objects. Now let's initialize our JavaScript data grid by creating a new instance and passing our host element ID in its constructor. Next, we can bind the grid to our array of data by setting its item source property. The last code we need is to import our style sheet. We can open styles.css and import it there. These styles are required to give the grid layout and a theme. That's it. Now in VS Code terminal, we can build and run our app. Since this is a Vite app, we can type npm run dev. This will build the app and host it locally. In our browser, we can see the app running. We have a fully functional JavaScript data grid in just about a minute. This grid can be sorted, edited, and there are many more bells and whistles that we can add from here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Documentation, videos, blogs, and other information is located on our website at developer.meshius.com.